science all over in music. Your pitch is determined by how many vibrations you have in a given second. Rhythm is just fractions. We might not even know what time signatures we're performing in, but it's there. It's the underpinning of the music. It's how we stay together as musicians. We feel it in our bodies.
There are many maker fairs in the world, but the one in New York City is special because it is held in a special place, the grounds of Flushing Meadows Corona Park in Queens, which was the site of the 1939 and 1964 World's Fairs. World Maker Fair is like a giant science fair for grown-ups, with sections for education, innovation in robotics, medicine, toys, games, sustainability, and science. Much like the maker at the fair, the musicians encourage you to keep walking and discovering. This inquisitiveness in DIY culture is celebrated and needed. Science is cool, being nerdy is cool, and making, collaborating, engaging, performing, and connecting is cool. One can't imagine a World Maker Fair without the musicians and performers of HONK.
Separating the boroughs of Brooklyn and Queens, the Newtown Creek is on the one hand a natural boundary, and on the other hand it is unnatural, home to one of the largest oil spills you never heard of, along with waste from over 1,400 known sites, 1,400 enviro vandals. In steps HONK NYC, a wholly human-powered revelry of the human experience, using lungs and muscle to blow and bang musical instruments, using sensation and spectacle to raise awareness of people and their stories, and also of our lands and waters.